Hello guys, I am Sigur Dave from the MS Text Insights. So in this video, we are going to have a quick introduction about the new Microsoft Forms experience. So if you already have used the Microsoft Forms, this is the view which every user is currently having, where we have this nicely looking view. In this video, we are going to see the new experience, which is looking something like this, where we have these nicely looking colors for the feedback, registration, research, and quiz, which is already there, but it is displayed something like this before. And we, whatever new quiz or new form we want to create, it also has the new enhancement, like the new user interface into that particular case. So if I go in this old experience and click on new form, we have this type of uh, UI user interface where we can add the title of for our form description and then the components, and this type of toolbar we are having on the top. But when I go and click on this new form in the new experience, the experience has been changed. I can provide the title, which is something like this. And also, when I click on this quick start with, it is also providing the controls which I can add directly from here, and it is being organized in this grid or the card view. Okay. There is another option for the templates. If I want to change the templates right from here, I can change the templates. For example, I want to take any of these. I can already click on that and then also can filter it out based on the type of template as well, a registration template, a feedback template, or evaluation sheet or something like that. The one more thing which we can notice from here is change in this top navigation or the top control top bar. In the old one, we have this preview, style, collect, response, and present, while in the new one, we have the preview. The style is converted into this one, like this particular icon, where we can give a style to our form. We want to have it something like this, or we want to have a title very big and then starting of the points, or there are different layouts available for our form. If you want also to customize the background effects for this, let's say my form is having this type of background, or if I want to have it something like this, and we can also go and change the background for that one as well. If you want to add our own background, we can go and select it from the OneDrive, or we can upload it from our system itself. So this is very much useful in case of whenever we want to make our forms more interactive and user friendly and more attractive to them. In this case, one more thing is there, like background music. If you want to add a background music, there are five, one, two, three, four, five, six background musics available at the moment. Any of them, you can. I'm not sure if you are able to hear it or not, but as you can see, this icon, this means the background music is made, and I can click on this to stop. Right? And once a user is filling out the form, they can also remove this music in the background. Okay. So other than that, the preview, the setting, everything is same. Just the layout has been changed for that. Right, and I think this is a pretty good and neat and clean layout, I can say, and it looks very nice. Other thing is, if we just stop this, if we just go and click on this feedback, the same thing is opening up, uh, but it is being filtered out, right? Registration, research, quiz, other template galleries are also available. Like if you want to create any of the templates or the forms based on this template, we can do that very easily. So I click on the feedback. So now my feature templates are being filtered out based on the feedback. Let's say I want to have a post event survey feedback, then my form is already been created with all the questions and everything, and it's already editable. Right. So when I go and click this, it is available for me to edit. I can insert new question, right? It also provide me some good Copilot type of thing like AI generative thing. So when I click on this, it is a recommended questions and everything. If I want to change it, I can change this. Everything can be done in case. And other usage of the form is same. Nothing has been changed into particular case. But yeah, this is very, very good, I can say. And if I want to make any changes, let's say I want to change the background from this to this. This is a video, a GIF, I can say. I can make them available into the form as well. So yeah, this is a very pretty quick introduction about the Microsoft Forms new user experience. Let me know what do you feel about this new user experience compared to the old one. And if you want, I can create a detailed video about the Microsoft Forms new experience. Let me know into the comment section, and then I will make that video and upload into the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like the content, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification for any new uploaded video.